Okay guys, thank you for tuning in to my video. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen. Today we got something near and dear to you and me and to a lot of other people. I'll see you over there in a minute. Check it out. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in. Today we got something very special for you. We got beef tacos, shredded beef tacos. I never did it before, so I hope you guys bear with me. I seen it on YouTube from somebody else, and I said, well, you know what? I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to recreate it or something and do something totally different. Okay. So what I did today, I mixed some seasoning up for like my tacos. I have some black pepper. I took a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of the onion powder. I took a teaspoon of the celery salt, and I took a teaspoon of kosher salt. Then over here we have garlic. I took a teaspoon of that, and I have some mild chili powder. I took a teaspoon of that, and I took a teaspoon of this right here, and that is called cumin. Okay, so just bear with me. All right, so we have all that right here. We're gonna go ahead and mix that up so you guys can see it. So I'm mixing all this stuff up. Now you also can use like seasoning, packed taco seasoning and something like that. You know, I try to do mine from scratch, so do it however you want to do it. Okay, we got it all mixed up. I'm gonna sprinkle some of this on there. So yeah, you just want to coat your meat real good, pat it down or whatever. Be sure to season all over. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this in this pot right here. Okay. Take some of the seasoning, sprinkle some more on top. Okay, there's the meat. I got some vegetables down there because I'm going to pressure cook it and I don't want it to burn at the bottom. So we're going to take a cup of water, put it around the side. About 2 or 3 cups because I'm going to be steaming this. So that took about 3 cups. I'm going to take some beef broth, not beef broth, but beef paste, and put it here on the side. Now I already added like 2 cloves of garlic in this pot. So this what you have right there. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can put that in the crock pot and let it cook on high for like about 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours, and it should be ready to break apart. You can shred it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started on our salsa. I have some cilantro, some lime, I got some salt and pepper, and onion powder. I have some garlic, like 2 cloves of that, and I have some bell peppers already chopped up. We're gonna go ahead and start working on this. Okay, we're gonna start with tomatoes. You ain't gotta do too much to it. I just cut them in 4s or whatever. Throw them in there. You can do it like that or whatever. Alright, I'm gonna take my cilantro, throw that in there. Don't worry about the stems. My garlic. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze lemon in there, like a whole lemon. Squeeze me a lime, half a lime, teaspoon of apple cider, organic. Let's try one more. 2. We're gonna take our bell peppers chopped up, put those in there. We're gonna take our pepper, onion powder, and salt. Put that in there. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done mixing this up. I'll tell you now, I had to put another teaspoon of apple cider in. It was fine the way it was, but I like mine a little zestier. You put this on ice, sit it in the refrigerator, and then I'll be back, okay, in a minute. When this beef get done, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright. Okay guys, I'm back. I just got done with this beef. This is the beef right here. Just got through cooking it up. Took about an hour and a half in the pressure cooker pro. And here's your finished product right here. This is what I made. Beef taco from my home to yours. So make sure you guys try this, okay? And once again, thank you for joining me at my channel. And do not forget to like, share, and please subscribe. Veldog signing out.